Hey guys, it's Study Lux and welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is opening this Apple Watch. Now, before I get started on this video, I just want to say that I'm not trying to brag in any way, but I've seen a lot of videos like this and I enjoy them. So I was thinking other people who like these videos might enjoy this too. So anyway, let's get started. So first, I'm just going to show you the box in general. I did not open this. I got this yesterday, but I wanted to wait so I could make this video for you guys. But this is the Series 5 gold aluminum case, pink sand sports band. It has a pink sand sports band and it's 40 millimeters. So that's what we have right here. So anyway, let's open for some ASMR. Okay, there we go. Wow, that was satisfying. Probably I'll never get to do this again. But, okay, let's see here. So now, I think you have to open it from the bottom. So this is what it looks like. First of all, the box is like really smooth and stuff. And then, there we go. Let's open it up. So this is what, wow, that's so pretty. Okay, this is what you first see when you open up the box. You see a bunch, I'll just move these out of the way. You just see a bunch of like Apple Watches, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so we're gonna put that to the side. And then what you get in the box is, I guess, the watch face and then the band. This is so pretty. I love pink, if you didn't know. I have my nails done too, but yeah, this is the pink watch band. This is what it shows on the outside. And then let's open the watch band. More ASMR. There we go. That is so pretty. I love the way that it has like the pink coloring right here. Let's go ahead and open this. So what you get in it is a designed by Apple in California. And then you get all of the little stuff in here that I'll read later. I do read these though. Other people skip them, but I do actually like to read them. It's interesting to me, even though I probably already know how to do it. Okay, we're just gonna leave that right here so I don't mess anything up. And then we have our charging block. It's just the small one, the small adapter. And then we have our charger here. And this charger is kind of different. It's kind of like wireless, I guess you could say, but it's like a magnetic charger, kind of. And you just put this on top of it. So that is our charger that we have here. And then we have this beautiful, oh my gosh, let's open it up actually. We have this super duper pretty Apple Watch. Oh my gosh, look at that, that's so pretty. It's aluminum on the sides and it's black and gold. I love this so much. I'll probably only use this like very rare because I want to cherish it. All right, let's put that to the side. So then we have the band. It's a nice, really pink, pretty band. So let's just open this up really fast. It has this little thing right here that you just pull down on. There's a little arrow. You might not be able to see it, but just pull down on that. And then I guess you just kind of open it. I don't know how to open it. Oh wait, let me see. Wait. Oh, there's a little tape here. So you just open it like that. Take the two sides and pull out your band. And it has the watch, and then it has how to do it, and there's the band, and then there you go. So that is it for this unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.